All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to our free online lesson. For today's online lesson, I will be your presenter. My name is Shafiq Farhan, and for everyone that joined us from Facebook, okay, I'm really happy. And for those that joined from our Zoom live, and also hi for everyone. Okay, so this will be the topics, and this will be the session for focusing in into two industry, right? So for the first thing is about, let me share my slide presentation first. So this will be my slide presentation. So for today's topic is focus on Revit and Inventor integration workflow. So how Revit file can go to Inventor, and also how Inventor file can go to Revit. So for today, so I believe everyone that here is come from a different industry or different disciplines. So let me go to the content. But before I go to our slide presentation and our content presentation, so I just demonstrate our website first. So you can go to any browser. For example, this one is a Google browser. Go to this address bar, just type in Acadsystems with us.com. Okay, Acad, ACADSYSTEMS.com. Right, so this address will bring you directly to our Acad system homepage. Right, so Acad system is an Autodesk Gold partner, and we are also as a premium authorized training center. So we can sell, if you plan to purchase Autodesk product, for example, AutoCAD, Revit, Inventor, PDMC, or so on. So you can contact us. We can give a quotation for you. And also, if you plan to have a training, for example, the face-to-face training or online training, so also can go to our website and directly register to just get a quotation from our sales department. So Acad system also, okay, for example, here we having a few promotion, latest promotion. Okay, if you're interested, if you have your own skill in terms of using software, so you can click on this icon on these topics. So design contest. So if you have very good skill in terms of AutoCAD, Inventor, Fusion, or 3ds Max, you can create your own auspicious design and send to our website. So just need to register here, click on register and log in. Later you need to upload your file. So this will be the example participant that already submit the design. Okay, and for our next, this will be free online lesson, workshop, and also webinar. So for today's topic, we are focused on Revit and Inventor integration. Okay, for next week, we have a few topics, which is include AutoCAD Web and also Navisworks. If you plan to request any other topic, okay, you can also click to our calendar and request for your specific topic. So this will be the topics including AutoCAD, Web, Navisworks, vehicle tracking, and this one is AutoCAD surfacing and Inventor plastic parts. So all topics from Autodesk software, we will do our free online lesson. Okay. Also, for those that request the specific topic, we also can arrange for your team. So let me go to my presentation slide. So for today's lesson, we are going to learn about first to understand workflow for this integration between Revit and Inventor. Okay, the second lesson is about Revit to Inventor. The third one is Inventor to Revit. Okay, so for this will be the basic icon that normally you will see on your desktop. Okay, the orange color will be the Inventor professional icon. The blue color will be the Revit 2021 icon. Okay, the first workflow. So Revit project can be opened using Inventor assembly. Right, so from Revit to Inventor. So the second one is about Inventor assembly can be opened to Revit family. So I try to simplify everything. So you can see this screen. Okay, from RFA, RFA is stand for Revit families, RVT is stand for Revit project, IPT, Inventor Parts, IAM is Inventor Assembly. Okay, from Revit Family, Revit project, so you can go to Inventor Assembly, can open from directly using Inventor. Okay, so what is the purpose? Later we will know. So later I will demonstrate on what is the purpose and how to use it. Okay, so from Inventor to Inventor should be no issue, and Revit to Revit should be no issue. But from here, from Revit IPT or IAM to Revit families, so these also they have their own purpose. Okay, why we should convert from Inventor parts or Inventor assembly to our Revit families. So later we will see on the demonstration side. So Revit to Inventor. Okay, Inventor extends AnyCAD functionality in Revit 2021. If you want to open your Revit software or Revit files, you need to use Inventor 2021 only, right? So you need to install the latest version. You need to get the latest version, get the license for the latest Inventor version, and from there you can directly open your Revit file. So even though the file is from 2016-17, you can directly open. Okay, that will be the first idea. Okay, from Revit to Inventor, this BIM content basically already have inside your Inventor a few years back. So means from your Inventor modeling, you want to transfer to Revit families. So that will be the idea on this BIM content. Right. So I go to the software. So this will be my Revit software. Right, so for example, for this case, I have one sample drawing of house. This will be the Autodesk sample. Okay, so if you plan to open this drawing, what you need to do, you just need to go to this file. Okay, click on this open. Okay, you just can look for your RAC basic sample project. Normally, this file will go to your project data folder. So then just open it. Right. So our idea or my idea today, so we want to open this drawing directly from Inventor, and we want to do something using Inventor as a manufacturer. Right. So this will be the second idea of your drawing. So how to open this type of drawing? So what you can do, so I try to close first. Right. So you just need to click on open using Inventor and just look for all file. So that will be the idea on how to search for your Revit RVT project. So, right. So what step? This will be the simplest step. So you just need to go to here. Okay, go to the folder that you have saved the file Revit. So make sure that you change from all file from basically this one is start from IPT or IAM. So then you can change to all file. Okay, look for Revit. Autodesk Revit project RVT. Okay, and then hit open. Right, they will have two options on choosing your import file. So either as a reference model or as a converted model. Okay, if you choose reference model, means if you do some changes on your Revit model, later your Inventor also will be updated. Okay, but converted means already 100% become a Inventor IAM file. So this one I will suggest you to use reference model only, and then hit OK. So but depends on your Revit drawing or Revit modeling. Okay, so for this case, Inventor have warned me something. So this view contain 5,300 element. Okay, for a best performance, you need to have at least fewer than 250 elements only. Must be lesser than 250. Okay, so for this case, because I confident with my PC, so I just need to hit OK. Then my PC will start to translate the RFA to become a Revit, to become a Inventor IAM file, right? So this will take some little bit longer time, depends on how big your project and how complicated your drawing. Okay, so now you see that Inventor currently is import my drawing from Revit. Okay, that will be the first idea on how to import. But basically, what is the advantage of creating Revit from importing Revit to Inventor? So what is the advantage? So I give you one case study. Right. So for example, I as a company owning manufacturer company, right? So I want to create one awning over here. I need to change the view cube first. Okay, click here, change set to current, fit to view. So what I need to do, I just need to create my awning over here. So the step is just like a normal method. So need to create a new parts or a new assembly. So this one is awning. So make sure that you choose a proper template. For example, if you are required to use in mm, choose a metric standard mm. Require here. And then click the face. So what will happen later on as a manufacturer? So when I try to do editing, all right, so hi, welcome, Mr. Fairul. All right, so if I have here, if I plan to create my view, my awning over here, so what I need to do, I just need to have create new sketch over here, click on this XY plane. Okay, how I want to know, so click, make sure that in this type of plane, right click. Okay, so this XY plane, just need to right click and new sketch. Right, so over here, what I need to do, I just need to create my awning shape or my awning sizes. Okay, so but this awning is referred to the Windows side, the Windows location. So what I need to do, I need to use this project geometry, one side by side and the top one. Okay, then I just click here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue until done. Right, so this one I need to have a straight one. Right, so you can trim and you can do the editing if you require. Okay, over here, if you already done with something, you just need to use dimension to key in the information that you require. For example, this one is 500 and this area also 500. And the thickness for your awning is about 250. This side also 250, 250. Okay, and the difference between these two height also 250. Right, so after I done, I can create extrude for my shape, the awning shape. Just can drag, simply drag over here, or you can type in the value 1000. Okay, so for these cases, I just want to add one chamfer over here, here, and here with a distance 35. Right. So what happened if I already done with my modeling? So over here, when I save, my file will become IAM file. But if the design from this modeling change, okay, for example, I click on this Windows, I change the location for this Windows to here. And also I change this location of this Windows, okay, for this Windows to here. Okay, and these two windows I try to put their gap, closer the gap. Okay, when I save this Revit family and directly open to my Inventor, you see that my Inventor will have one option to update on top here. And this also, the symbol also appear here. So what you need to do, you just need to click on this update. So later you see that this modeling will also update, refer to your Revit drawing. Okay, now updated. Okay, so because my drawing, my awning is the reference is from here to here, and also from here to here. So every time the size change from my RVT file, my awning also will be updated. So that will be the idea on how you can use Revit and Inventor integration, the first one. Okay, so that one I hope you clear. Okay, if you have any question, you can stop me, and you also can put something on chat. Later I can answer your question. So for second thing is about Inventor to Revit. So Inventor to Revit, they have a few things that need to consider. The first one is that your object is only an object, or the second one is that your object have any point to connect with something, right? So this will be the example for the first one. Inventor to Revit. Okay, for these cases, I want to make sure that my Inventor file can be transferred to Revit, okay, and can be connected from here to Revit pipe, and also from here to another Revit pipe. Okay, so for a second example, this will be the idea for valve. For example, I want to create one pipe with valve later on in Revit. So I need this type of valve. Okay, because inside Inventor, you can do until this type of detailing. Okay, you can easily create valve with bolt connection because Inventor have all the libraries inside it. Okay, but when you want to transfer, you just need to make sure that you simplify your object and transfer to Revit. Okay, let's demonstrate one part here. So over here, I have one cabinet. So I want to make sure that my cabinet here can be transferred to Revit easily. Okay, but the problem is when I try to check into my cabinet, I already create a shell inside it. Okay, this will be IPT part. If you have IAM, also no issue. Okay, the concept is same, but the idea you need to do shrink wrap first. If you require to learn about shrink wrap, go to our YouTube channel and search for Acadsystems YouTube channel, then search for shrink wrap. So we also have we already done the topics for shrink wrap. Okay, so for this case, I need to check first either they have any empty space inside the object. Okay, because when you open inside your Revit, later on Revit cannot check what inside the every single parts. So for example, this case, click on View, Half Section, and try to move it here. So they will have one area that have hollow all inside here, all inside the cabinet. So if I click again and try to drag more, so over here also, this side also have the void area. So how to fill up everything? Okay, so the best method or the fastest method, you need to go to 3D model. So make sure that you right click on here and go to this one, show panel. So click on this one, simplification. Right, so over here, simplification, you just need to click on this fill void. Make sure that you choose the area that have void, click OK. So now you see that you can see now the modeling will be already updated, and what the void inside already fill out. Okay, so let's go check again. So N object object section view, click on half section view again, click and drag. So every single section already fill out. All right, so this will be the idea on how to make sure that your object is properly set up. Because if you have one example like this, okay, like this, so when you go to your section cut also, half section cut, So you see that you will face this type of modeling. Okay, but the problem is inside your Revit software later on, okay, this inside you don't require anymore. So what you need to do, you need to make it full form, fill up form. So for this assembly, the first step, you need to shrink wrap first. Okay, click on the shrink wrap and then convert into create simplified parts before you fill up all the hollow, right? So that will be the idea. So for this cabinet, after I done with something, I want to transfer to become a Revit family. So the step will become like this. Go to this environment, click on this BIM content, right? So if your 3D parts have some connector, for example, your part is connected to piping or your part is connected to ducting, okay, you can click on this duct connector or pipe connector and put into the phase that later on your ducting will start or your piping will start. Okay, so for example, you have valve, then the port 1 and port 2 you need to put the pipe connector. Okay, so this will be the first idea. The second method, you need to specify your UCS. Okay, for your UCS, just click on the point that you want to change. This will be the second one. Right click, done. Okay, wait, I click again. 1, 2, 1 here, 2 here, and 3 will be here. Okay, so here UCS updated. Right, so if you require to put any information, because Revit family, they have their own BIM information, building information modeling, all your model become have the information. So what you need to do, you just need to go to here. Okay, so key in the information over here, description, manufacturer, model, and so on. Okay, if you require to make it intelligent object for your Revit, you need to have a iLogic model. Okay, but for this case, I don't touch any iLogic features. You just need to go to here, and after you key in, just export. Okay, for export from Inventor, they will have 3 options. The first one is RFA. Okay, RFA is stand for Revit Family File. IFC also can be opened from Revit. ADSK for if you plan to open from Plant 3D or Revit also, because Revit also can open ADSK. Okay, just put the name over here, cabinet 2. Okay, so Revit will help you to make sure that, Inventor will generate for you the Revit model. Later on, you just need to go to the folder, then you will see that .rfa will be there. Right, so I have one question from from our customer, from our client. So how about if I don't have any Revit? So how I want to open and how I want to view my 3D model for my Revit RFA. So what you need to do, you just need to install Revit Viewer, the latest version. Okay, make sure that this Revit Viewer is same version like your Inventor version. So Revit Viewer, the features, the button is same like full Revit, but you cannot save, you cannot do any editing. That's it. That will be the difference. You only can view, rotate only. Revit Viewer 2021. Okay, if you want to, if you like to view the translation report, if yes, then you click yes. Okay, if you have the connector over here, you will see the connector status, properties, parameter, and so on. Okay, I try to go back into my Inventor project. Okay, sorry, this one is a Revit project, Revit full project. So from this level 2, I plan to put the cabinet over here. Right, so the method to insert in a Revit families, just to click on this place component, load family. Okay, make sure that you choose your file and then hit open. So now you can put into your drawing. 3D modeling. So when you check into your 3D, so this will be the cabinet from Inventor that we already transferred. So this will be the example one. Okay, so if you require to change the level, elevation, negative 500, okay, so become more proper. Okay, so this one is cabinet should be the location will be should be the right position will be at the kitchen. So to move it into a kitchen, you just need to click on this existing one. Okay, so this will be the existing kitchen cabinet. So I just need to change into my new cabinet. Click here, over here. Right, so but over here you will see you have a chair. Okay, so you need to move your chair to here. All right. So after you done change into a new design or new drawing, so you can go to your camera to view your 3D modeling, your updated cabinet. So this will be your updated cabinet over here. Right, for rendering, you need to render again. Okay, for Revit. So that will be the idea on how Revit and Inventor works together. So the first method, like I mentioned in previous slide, so this will be Revit to Inventor, which is you will open your Revit family or Revit family from client. Okay, as a manufacturer, I open Revit family from client and I try to manufacture my own object or my own design before we do a production or do a fabrication. Okay, that will be the first one. The second one, I already create my own parts. For example, furniture or any equipment for plant or for piping, and then convert to Revit families. So that require you BIM content and also shrink wrap skill. So you need to learn about shrink wrap and also BIM content here. Right. So for BIM content, it's quite straightforward. You just need to put your connector only. Right. So that will be the idea on how Revit and Inventor is work around. So before I end my live, I will go to my Acadsystems website again. So this will be our new open channel. So for example, if you require any help from open channel Acadsystems, if you require any help from us live, so you just need to click on this one. So just type in your issue. For example, I want to know about PDMC price. So just type in here. Okay, so after I key in, this will bring you to our live agent that currently available. So we will respond to you and make sure that you try to give your information first. Shafiq, okay, my email and also my phone number, and click send. All right, so thanks. Okay, so Peter Kam is typing. Peter Kam is currently become the agent. Hi. All right, so this will be our live one. So the second thing is if you require to do form, so make sure that you click on this form, type in your name, okay, your last name, okay, your email address. This one is required. So for example, I just type in Shafiq Farhan at Acadsystems, and also what the things that you want to ask from our team live. So this will be the benefit that we try to implement. We try to do support to everyone, immediate response. And if you also want to learn about our previous video or previous free online lesson, you can scroll into this down area. They will have our Facebook page and also our YouTube channel. Okay, for our YouTube channel, if you want to filter into a different disciplines, so just need to click on these videos, okay? Or you want to learn about certain topic, okay? You just search from Acadsystems here, okay? From here, I just want to learn Revit, okay? This will help you to sort all the Revit series only. Right, so that will be the benefit from our YouTube channel. Okay, so all our free online lesson we will put into our YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe and also follow our YouTube channel. All right, so make sure that also you click on this subscribe button. Okay, click on here, sign in, subscribe button, and click on this ring bell to make sure that you will also always get our the notification from Acadsystems live. All right, so that will be the things that I want to share from you today. Before I end, let me show you what inside product design manufacturing collection. So inside product design manufacturing collection, you can do a few things that require skills from design until from detailing. Okay, but if you require the advanced manufacturing or additive manufacturing, so that one is require another software. So for product design, you will get Inventor Pro, Fusion 360, Recap.
If you have been using Revit for, then this is
All right, so thanks
really good
for
for
reminding
structural
me.
modeling. Okay, so while waiting for.
Okay, continue. Right, so for product design manufacturing collection, you can get this information by go to our website, also go to product design manufacturing collection, PDMC. Then you will get the information, Inventor Pro, specialized toolcat, and so on. So for Inventor Cam or from Inventor and Fusion 360, what you can do, you can create an Inventor Cam modeling, and also you can create the generative design if you require to create a multiple design for your products. Okay, generative design. Okay, so that will be the things that I want to share for today. Thanks everyone for joining, and hopefully you're happy with my presentation, and I will hope that we will see into next video. Don't forget to register and don't forget to join our contest, design contest here. All right, so just upload any drawing that you create from this listed software. So AutoCAD, Inventor, 3ds Max, and just register and upload here. Okay, this will be the design that created from the candidate here and also here. Right, so make sure that you select a category from before you start upload the file. Right, so thanks everyone. I will start ending my free online lesson for this topic. See you next week. All right, bye bye.